The Cottazon is a house that John and Mabel Ringling built, but it was also a community space.
The Cottazon, to my way of thinking, is really sort of the cultural heart of certainly the Ringling Museum, but quite frankly of all of Sarasota. But as you can imagine, a 100-year-old house on the water in Florida has all sorts of issues with maintenance and preservation. And while we have done an excellent job at that to date, there's some significant work that still needs to be done.
There's so many different aspects to maintaining a house. I need a new roof for Cottazon. It has a barrel tile roof that's Italianate. There's a swimming pool that we need to have restored that's the historic pool from 1926. We have an Aeolian organ in the court. That's something that we're hoping to have restored, and that would give opportunity for concerts in the house. It's quite an ordeal to keep everything beautiful. And it is such a symbol for the community. People do come, and it inspires other architects to build things like this. The marble outside, everywhere you look, there's some kind of rich texture. All of that is something that takes maintenance, and it needs to be maintained and represented in its best way.
It's just an incredible piece of architecture in Venetian design. But whereas the similar buildings that it has been modeled after in Venice are made of stone, the Cottazon is made of terracotta tile, and it has a facade of stucco and glazed terracotta. And it's an absolutely beautiful building that has drawn a lot of attention worldwide.
The house it's our past, but it's also our future. We need to care for these things, and we need to preserve them.
It proves that just because a building gets old, you don't have to tear it down and replace it. It's timeless and it's beautiful.